Alright, my lovers, back here in Coconut Milk Corner. Sorry, I'm sounding more Norfolk than anything else. Yeah, this is response to Anekantavad, who responded to my video, I don't get it. Yeah, I've made some notes, so I hope you don't mind me going through some of the points you made. So you made this distinction between the provisionally real and the absolutely real. That's good. I suppose my comment to that would be is that there's no real point in talking about this absolutely real, because that's just simply not available to us. So I suppose what you're talking about here is that well, your claim is that there are people who are claiming that they know the absolutely real. And since this kicked off with the subject of depressive reality, that presumably you're accusing the people who came up with this idea of depressive reality of claiming some ownership of this absolutely real. So you say that we shouldn't forget that what we're looking at is a bias projection. Yeah, agree with that. I don't see how placing yourself firmly in the arena of the provisionally real would in any way handicap you into, you know, questioning your assumptions about anything. So you say, how do we apply this, or how do we tell the difference between the provisionally real and the absolutely real? So I guess my answer to that would be simply that we can't, or at least we're firmly stuck in the provisionally real. So there's no way of comparing the models that we create with this absolutely real thing. What is there? So the next question is it better to believe in the matrix? Well, I prefer to call it the provisionally real than the Matrix. I thought the Matrix was a rubbish film, but they hadn't made Inception at that point, so that proved me wrong. So, is it better to believe in the provisionally real or see things accurately? Now again, you know, I'm just to say, well, obviously it's better to see things accurately, but that's not really on the table, is it? So, you know, all we've got to deal with is the provisional realities. Now, I think you say something like, if you're cool with provisional reality, and that's enough for you, don't even bother. Presumably, don't even bother to look further. It's a strange way of putting it. I mean, I don't think it's not really a matter of being cool with it. You know, it's all we have. And if you're saying, you know, if you're cool with this provisional reality and that's enough for you, you know, let's be explicit about what you're including there. You know, you're not just including religion or strange ideas that come to mentally insane people in the night. You're also including science, mathematics, historical scholarship, all kinds of, pretty much everything that humans deal with. So then you get onto the depressive reality thing, and you say that your claim is that depressive reality is putting value on reality itself. Is reality good or bad? I don't really think, or at least I don't see it like that at all, and that presumably it's not clear to me why this idea doesn't fall well within the remit of anything else that we might consider in this provisional reality. The question is, where does it fit in? Is it some part of a parsimonious explanation, well connected to other provisional ideas, or is it an idea that will, as likely, is more than likely just to end up as being consigned to some backwater of provisional reality, of no more significance than the dream I had last night. So what's next? Yeah, and so you were saying that, you said that you have to delve a little bit deeper, i.e. deeper than just dealing with this world of the provisional realities. Fair enough, but I suppose my question to you will be, is can you explain how, or what tools do you have, or what tools would you need to sort of deal, to do this digging deeper? And are you using tools that are any different to those who are firmly entrenched in this provisional reality? Any tools that they don't have?